Hello guys. Okay, just a little bit of elaboration. Some of you asked about the other, how I came up with the other game for guessing a number, and then it provides you with it's the first video that I did actually. So I'll just go through this very quick for those ones who have not. So let me first remove all of this. So you can see this is my code editor. I'm using PyCharm. You may be using other code editors, maybe VS Code. Others may be using, I don't know, Atom. There are many code editors, but for Python, I think PyCharm would be the best. So when we are creating that simple guessing game, we are first going to create 3 variables. One variable is going to be called my lucky dash number, and I'm going to set it to 17. I love 17 because of I don't say it. So, and then we shall create another variable called the guess dash guess number. So we are going to equate it to 0, since we are starting from 0. So as you can see, these are variables. Lucky number is a variable, so that equal sign, it's an assigning sign. I'm assigning this variable a digit. This digit this time around is an integer. It can be a string or another data type, but this time it's a string because we are going to deal with integers. Then the last is going to be called, the last variable is a guess limit. We want to limit the number of our guesses to the user. We want to limit to only 3 guesses. So after there, I'm going to use a while loop, because I want to loop this. I want to loop a certain code to run 3 times to the guess limit before it breaks and tells the user that, you know what, this is. So we're going to create a while loop, and you know what, while our while loops come with a condition. So while our guess number is less than it's less than our guess limit. Guess limit. So this is how you're supposed to write code. It's supposed to flow like a story. While our guess number is less than our guess limit, what are we going to do? We are going to, whatever thing we are going to type beneath that, it's going to run. It's going to run. So I'm going to put a user input where the user is going to put. So we are going to use the function called input. So in this input, I'm going to say guess, the user should guess number. Guess a number. Like that. So I'm going to guess a number. So I'm going to put this into a variable. So for this case, let's call it user input, user dash input equals that. So I want the user, so long as it's not less than, if he enters a number, and then I want the guess number to increase by one, meaning if he puts the first one, guess a number, then he has to repeat another one. That's where the loop comes in, the while loop. So you would say equals guess number again. But to avoid this in programming, there are usually shortcuts. We would use a shortcut of class equals 1. So anytime it has to run until it reaches the guess limit, the user input. Yeah. So then after that, we can we can test it out in our we can run this. Let's go and run it and test it out. So you can see here it's saying guess a number. So I'm going to put 6, saying guess a number again. I'm going to put 2, guess another number. I'm going to put the lucky number, which is 17. See, and it has stopped. The process stopped. Process finished with exit code 0, because we have reached our guess limit, which is 3 guesses, and it has what? And it has stopped. So now the only thing that is missing in our code is we have to put to either show that I have won or have lost. So that is what is missing in our code.